What's going on, everyone? It's Paktun Khan, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of project management methodologies, the secret sauce behind successful projects, no matter the scale. We'll break down the most popular project management methodologies, their strengths and weaknesses, and when to use each one. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. First up, we're going back to basics with the waterfall methodology. Imagine a cascading waterfall flowing steadily from one stage to the next. That's the essence of this approach. It's a linear, sequential method where each phase depends on the completion of the previous one. We're talking requirements gathering, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and finally maintenance. No jumping ahead, no going back, just a clear, structured path from start to finish. Now, the waterfall method shines when you have a crystal clear vision of the project from the get-go. But here's the catch. Waterfall isn't known for its flexibility. Since each stage is dependent on the previous one, any delays can cascade through the entire project, throwing off your timeline and budget. Buckle up, because we're entering the world of Agile, a methodology that thrives on change and customer collaboration. Agile is all about flexibility, iteration, and continuous improvement. Imagine your project as a series of sprints, each lasting a few weeks. During a sprint, the team focuses on developing a small, functional piece of the final product. At the end of each sprint, you have something tangible to show, gather feedback, and adapt accordingly. This iterative approach allows you to incorporate feedback throughout the project lifecycle. Alright, let's talk Scrum, a popular Agile framework that's all about teamwork, transparency, and delivering value in short, focused bursts. Imagine a rugby team huddled together, strategizing their next move. That's the spirit of Scrum. In Scrum, the project is divided into short iterations called sprints, typically lasting 1 to 4 weeks. Each sprint begins with a sprint planning meeting where the team selects a set of tasks from the product backlog, a prioritized list of features and requirements. Every day, the team holds a short, stand-up meeting, often called the daily Scrum, to discuss progress, identify roadblocks, and stay aligned. At the end of each sprint, the team delivers a potentially shippable product increment, meaning a working version of the product with the completed features. Scrum is all about empowering self-organizing teams, promoting accountability, and driving continuous improvement through regular retrospectives. If you're looking for a structured yet flexible framework that thrives on collaboration and quick wins, Scrum might be the perfect fit. Let's dive into Kanban, another popular Agile framework that's all about visualizing your workflow and optimizing efficiency. Imagine a factory floor, with materials flowing smoothly from one stage of production to the next. That's the essence of Kanban. The heart of Kanban is the Kanban board, a visual tool that displays the project's workflow in a clear and concise manner. The board is divided into columns, typically representing different stages of the workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. Tasks are represented by cards, and as work progresses, the cards move across the board, providing a real-time snapshot of the project's status. This visual representation makes it easy to identify bottlenecks, track progress, and ensure a smooth and efficient workflow. Unlike Scrum, which relies on fixed-length sprints, Kanban embraces a continuous flow of work. If you're looking for a flexible and visual approach to project management that emphasizes efficiency and continuous delivery, Kanban could be your ideal choice. Now let's shift gears and explore lean methodology, a philosophy born in the manufacturing world, but equally applicable to project management. Imagine a sculptor chipping away at a block of marble, removing everything that doesn't belong to reveal the masterpiece within. That's the essence of lean. Lean is all about maximizing value for the customer while minimizing waste. It's about identifying and eliminating any process or activity that doesn't directly contribute to the final deliverable. Think unnecessary meetings, redundant tasks, or even waiting time. Anything that doesn't add value is considered waste and a target for elimination. By relentlessly pursuing waste reduction, Lean aims to streamline processes, shorten lead times, and deliver products and services with the highest possible efficiency. It's about doing more with less, optimizing every step of the way, and ensuring that every effort adds tangible value. Whether you're developing software, launching a marketing campaign, or even organizing your personal life, the principles of Lean can help you work smarter, not harder. Let's talk Six Sigma, a methodology for eliminating defects and achieving near-perfect quality. Imagine a world where errors are practically non-existent. Six Sigma is a data-driven approach to problem-solving. It uses statistical analysis to identify and prevent defects. The DMAIC cycle guides you through define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Six Sigma aims for a level of quality where defects are extremely rare. Let's explore PRINCE2, a structured project management methodology that stands for Projects in Controlled Environments. If you're a fan of order, control, and well-defined processes, PRINCE2 might just be your new best friend. PRINCE2 is all about managing projects in a controlled and predictable manner, ensuring that every step is carefully planned, executed, and monitored. One of the key principles of PRINCE2 is the concept of management by exception, which means that project managers delegate responsibility to team members while maintaining overall control. This allows for efficient decision-making and empowers team members to take ownership of their tasks. PRINCE2 also emphasizes the importance of business justification, ensuring that every project aligns with the organization's strategic goals and delivers tangible value. If you're working on large, complex projects where a high degree of control and accountability is crucial, PRINCE2 can provide the structure and guidance you need to navigate the complexities and deliver successful outcomes. Let's talk about hybrid methodologies, where the worlds of agile and traditional project management collide to create a customized approach that suits your unique project needs. Think of it as a buffet of project management methodologies, where you can pick and choose the elements that work best for your specific project and team. For instance, you might start with the structured planning phase of waterfall to define the project scope and objectives, then transition into an agile approach like Scrum for the development and implementation phases. This allows you to leverage the strengths of both methodologies, benefiting from the upfront planning of waterfall while embracing the flexibility and iterative nature of agile. Hybrid methodologies are gaining popularity because they offer a pragmatic solution for projects that don't fit neatly into a single methodology. They allow you to tailor your approach based on factors like team size, project complexity, and risk tolerance. Let's dive into the critical path method, CPM, a powerful technique used to plan and schedule complex projects. Imagine your project as a network of interconnected tasks, each with its own duration and dependencies. The critical path is like the shortest route through this network, representing the minimum time required to complete the entire project. CPM helps you identify the critical tasks, those with zero slack time, meaning any delay in these tasks will directly impact the project's completion date. By focusing on these critical activities, you can prioritize resources, manage dependencies effectively, and ensure the project stays on track. The process involves creating a visual representation of the project schedule, often using a network diagram, where each node represents a task, and the arrows indicate dependencies between tasks. CPM is particularly useful for projects with a high degree of interdependency between tasks, such as construction projects, software development, or event planning. Finally, let's explore PERT, which stands for Program Evaluation and Review Technique. This statistical tool helps you estimate project duration with a higher degree of accuracy, especially when dealing with tasks with uncertain timeframes. Unlike traditional methods that rely on a single time estimate for each task, PERT uses 3 time estimates: optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic. This allows you to account for uncertainty and variability in task durations, providing a more realistic estimate for the overall project timeline. By using a weighted average of these 3 estimates, PERT calculates the expected duration for each task and identifies the critical path, similar to CPM. This probabilistic approach makes PERT particularly valuable for projects with a high degree of uncertainty, such as research and development, new product launches, or projects involving external dependencies. And there you have it, a crash course in the world of project management methodologies. We've covered a lot of ground, from the structured waterfall method to the flexible agile frameworks, and everything in between. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The best methodology for your project will depend on various factors, such as project size, complexity, team structure, and your organization's culture. So, Take the time to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each methodology, experiment with different approaches, and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of project management methodologies helps you choose the right approach for your next project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content.